this is me talking about my day. So today, which is June 30, 2026, ayun, pasok namin and it is our second day. My course is architectural drafting. Yung nangyari kahapon is I didn't make a video about it, which is yun yung pinaka-first day and hindi ko yun napag-usapan, but kahapon talaga is grabe, as in grabe yung nangyari. So okay pa naman yung sakay kahapon, hindi ganun ka puno and mahirap sumakay, pero ayun. And yung nangyari naman is ang daming lakad, mabigat yung bag kasi akala ko kailangan is maraming gamit. Ang dami kong nilagay sa bag and ang bigat-bigat, so yung nangyari is nagkabukol yung shoulders ko. Hindi naman bukol, as in bukol. Like parang nagkapasa lang siya sa buto. Pinasa siya kasi lagi kong suot yung bag kahit ang bigat-bigat and hindi kami nakaupo nun. Like, we barely sit that day or yesterday. Lagi kami nakatayo nun kasi wala kaming room. Palipat-lipat kami, naghahanap kami kasi to be announced pa yung professor namin, ganun. So, ayun, hinanap-hanap namin. And, yung iba wala, pero may attendance sheet naman. So, yeah. Kahapon was good, but not that good. Today, kapagod din. Late ako umuwi. Hindi naman sa late kasi 2 dapat yung uwian namin ngayon. But, mga 4 na ako nakauwi. Ewan lang din. Tumambay ako dun sa basta dun with my classmates, I guess. So, ayun, okay naman.